Hi, my name is Jose. I'm a watchmaker, and we're going to talk about three different types of chronographs, the functions, and the proper way to set it. Okay, first, this is a vintage chronograph. The proper way to handle the chronograph functions are push the 2 o'clock button to start, then use the 4 o'clock button to stop and reset. Because when you push the button, you reset back to 0. This is the second hand, the regular second hand, and this is the time recording. Like you can time up to 30 minutes in this particular watch. This watch is the basic chronograph from the 1940s. I believe this watch originally, when they come out to the market, they use these pieces to time race horses or dogs. So it's pretty simple. This is our second watch. This is an Omega triple date. This watch is like far more complicated than the first one. This watch has a 12-hour recording and a 24-hour timer. The yellow hand, it shows you the day. Then right underneath you see the month, then the date. But in the end is the basics are the same. Press the 2 o'clock button to start. You push it to stop. Then you push to reset. It's very important in this type of pieces with the multi-functions to be aware when you try to correct the dates. You should not operate between 9 o'clock at night p.m. to 3 o'clock a.m. because everything is mechanical and everything is engaged. So if you like try to force it, you can break some parts. So make sure when you handle a piece like this, you go to 12 o'clock. That's like midday. So then you can manipulate everything on it with no problems. This is our third watch. This watch named Rolex Daytona. You see on the top of the bezel says unit per hour. That's for to time speed. The functions in this watch are a little bit different because they're screw type pushers. It's waterproof. Also the crown screws in, so it's water sealed. Again, the 2 o'clock is to start and stop, and the 4 o'clock side is to reset and restart. It's a luxury timepiece. It's an 18 karat white gold, so it's like the Rolls Royce of the watches. If you're having a problems with your chronograph watch, make sure you take to a reputable watchmaker because they have like different complications on it, and you want to make sure you have your watch in the right hands.